Hey guys, it's me, Sheen Melody, and
Japia.
yes, she's my cousin's daughter. Panibagong mukbang na naman, and as you can see, charan! 100 pieces hotdog mukbang challenge! So, tignan natin kung mauubos namin to ni Japia. So, nickname niya pala is Aya. And nagva-vlog din siya. Sa Facebook, nag-video, nag-upload ng video, yung mga makeup videos, tsaka yung unboxing, tsaka reviews ng toys niya. So, ginawa ko tong video na to kasi sakto nandito siya. Galing pa silang Surigao, tapos nagbakasyon sila dito sa Bohol. So, ayun, gumawa akong video na kasama siya kasi gusto ko siyang, dati pa ako sa kanya na mag-video kaming dalawa. Tapos, eto na, gagawa na kami ng video. Aya, what's your full name? So, she's Japia Juliana Bagolor Anino, and she is 6 years old. Diba? 6 years old ka. Yung binili ko palang hotdog is tender juicy yung cocktail. So, 100 pieces siya. And let's see kung mauubos. Dalawa yung challenge ko, guys. Yung pag-ubos neto at yung pag-i-English. Kasi alam niyo na, magaling ako. Hindi, kabaliktaran. Magaling ako mag-English. Konti lang yung English ko, kaya parang mahihirapan ako dito. So, ayan, let's start! Hindi ko nabibilangan, basta 100 pieces siya. Bago kami mag-start, meron ako ditong sauce. Mayonnaise siya, tsaka ketchup. And hot sauce, yung sweet and spicy ba yun? Yung sa, okay. Okay, so she wants that. And let's start! Go, Aya! Yummy? What hot dog do you like? Tender juicy? Any hot dog?
Yeah. Or this one only.
What's your favorite food?
Egg.
Egg? So hot dog is not your favorite?
Hot dog.
No, this is your favorite? So 2, egg and hot dog. Alam niyo, mas maarte pa to sa akin. Tingnan niyo naman yung lips. Diba? Mas mapula pa yung lips niya kaysa sa akin. Siya lang nag-lipstick niyan. Yun? Medyo mahihain pa siya ngayon eh. Siguro naiilang pa siya kasi hindi siya sanay sa setup ngayon. Kasi yung setup niya, ano lang, cellphone, ganun. Tapos yung mama niya yung nagbi-video. Hindi pa siya sanay sa setup. Tapos magkasama pa kami. Do you think we can finish this
Yes.
all?
Yes.
Sure?
Yeah.
Dito sa bahay namin, maraming favorite yung hotdog. Kaya pagluto ko nito, ang daming kamay. Ganun. Pero oops, bawal. Pangmukbang yan. May babalita pala ako sa inyo. Kahapon, nag-email yung Google sa akin. Tapos, ayun, na-approve ako. So, monetize na yung YouTube channel ko. Thank you so much dahil sa inyo. Na-monetize ako. Please support me, guys. Sana, dumami pa yung subscribers ko, yung viewers ko. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na darating ako sa ganito na, ayun, na-approve na ako. Tapos, akala ko after 1 month pa ako re-replyan, or after 1 month pa magme-message si Google na ma-verify yung account ko. Ano lang siya, almost 2 weeks, nag-message sa akin na, ayun nga, na-approve ako. Sobrang saya ko, as in, tumatalon ako dito sa bahay. Nagulat nga yung mga, yung pamilya ko kasi sabi nila, ano bang nangyari? Kasi tumatalon nga ako. So, ayun, binalita ko sa nila na happy naman sila. Are you okay? So, Aya, what grade are you in? This coming June. So, you will be turning grade 1. Huwag niyo na husgahan yung English ko, guys. Alam niyo naman. So, do you have medal or awards? Awards?
Medal and awards.
How many medal did you get? 3? You're good. You're smart. Me, when I was kinder, I don't have any medal.
You have one.
No,
Yes.
I don't have any medal. Because
You're not right.
I'm not bright. No, I graduated college, so I'm bright.
No.
If I'm not bright, hindi ako makakagraduate. I am a little bit bright, but not too much. Because if I'm too much bright, I have many medals. When you have exam, when you take your exam, you will
No.
cheat to your classmate like that, ba? And then you
No.
will get the answer and then
No.
write. Yeah.
No.
Even once?
My
Why?
teacher-
Because you know all.
My teacher, look everywhere. I'm scared my teacher because it's gonna be angry.
Ah, your teacher will be angry if you
Because
cheat.
I'm fat and thin.
Who's fat? Your teacher?
Teacher Nor and teacher
Ah, you
Ethan
will-
is thin.
Your teacher will get angry when she saw this video.
Busy.
She's roaming around when you have
No.
exam.
No, she's busy teaching the class.
Ah, so why is your teacher fat?
Because she always bring some food in school because
Ay.
I'm hungry.
Oh. That's why she's fat, because she always brings food in the school.
And she got her later kids school even St. Thomas.
So your school is St. Thomas
Yeah.
in Surigao.
Kid her name.
When you go to school, what is your baon? Or your snack?
Snacks.
Or what is your snack?
Anything.
Like hot dog?
No.
Sandwich?
No.
You have money?
Yes, sir.
I have to guess it. So your...
It's that food.
It's biscuit.
Yeah.
Chucky.
The nope.
Juice?
Start with the letter I.
I.
Yakult.
Ice cream.
Yakult.
What I?
Yakult.
It's Y.
Why Yakult?
Oh, you said it starts with letter
I
I.
love Yakult.
You're you're
That's
screaming
not
me.
the food word I eat.
Pichusera.
No, it's not Sheba. It's stop.
Stop.
Stop. Not stop.
Did you count how many hotdog did you eat? No? Meron kaming
Ikaw,
special
Papa
guest.
Racing.
Ayan, kung nakikita nyo sa gilid, ayan o, may kamay na maliit. Si BBC, ayan, kumuha ng isa. Ayan o.
Yeah.
You finish this. Tignan niyo yung part ko, medyo malapit na siyang maubos. And sa kanya, parang hindi pa nabawasan. So, mas marami ako nakain. Nakakaumay na! But, go.
Start a little bit smaller. Yeah, you're hiding in the table. Stop hiding in the phone. Go out. Yeah. Go out. No. Go out. No. Get out.
Ang dami kong audience na bata.
Go.
Kaya
You will
maingay.
be dirty.
Are you done, Aya? You will eat pa?
Does she eat that?
That's why I can't eat now. I will just wait you.
No. You do.
Last na hotdog na ito yung kakainin niya, tapos na kami. Hindi ko na kasi kaya. Sabi din niya, last one na yan. So, ayun. Mag-closing na kami. So, marami-rami din yung nakain naming dalawa. Kasi alam nyo na favorite, Tender Juicy. This is not sponsored by Tender Juicy. This is sponsored by Real Roulette.
We're done, guys.
Ayan, tapos na kami. Ito na lang yung natira. Konti na lang. You count it. 44.
44.
So, 44 yung natira and yung nakain namin is 56. So, okay lang yun. Okay lang na hindi namin naubos. At least we've tried. Diba, Aya? Appear! So, that ends our mukbang. Siguro next time, gagawa kami ng video, yung makeup challenge. Ayaw yung mag-makeup sa akin. Soon. Abangan nyo yun. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video kung nagustuhan nyo and share. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Kung meron kayong mga suggestions, just comment down below. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Bye!